What are you doing New Year's Eve? All right, well, I've got makeup for you, regardless of your plans. Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. And you know what? I'm staying in for New Year's Eve. Gonna watch When Harry Met Sally, which is a tradition. I usually cook something and make a cocktail and go to bed by like 10 or 11. I don't know when the last one, no, I have been up until midnight in the last few years, but then I go straight to bed. So I decided to do something fun makeup wise, and I think you'll enjoy this. I think it's not gonna be too labor intensive, complicated, etc. I wanted to point out a couple products that I'm absolutely loving that Stylevana sent me. This Sunjung, the Etude House, this is their foaming cleanser. And I love this line from Etude House, Etude, because it is so good for sensitive skin. It's pH balanced. There's a lot of, there's the cica, there's ceramides, there's so many soothing ingredients in these products, and so this is so exciting. I love that Stylevana carries like all the K-beauty fun, and not just fun brands, but the brands that are so good, so affordable. One more thing that I tried, and it's this Jin Jung Sung, and it's Soothing Moisture Skin Essence, and this is like ferments. I think it has beta glucan and some other ingredients in there, and I put this on before my sunscreen and my face is just so happy. It doesn't pull apart like snail mucin or the beta glucan that I have, but it has a it's just kind of got a quite like a viscous, like a clear, almost a suspension to it. And it's an essence, so you put it on before serums and moisturizers, and it is so good. I went ahead and put my eyebrows on. I'm wearing my Dermatology, and then I went ahead and I put this ABIB Quick Sun Stick, which is SPF 50+. So this is definitely something that your husband or teens could use as well. And I am just putting it where I always forget sunscreen, and this doesn't leave any kind of residue or white cast. And I often forget my eyelids, so sometimes I'll just use a sunscreen stick on my eyelids before I put makeup on. I'm reaching for my skin food. This was in the Stylevana Advent calendar this year. It is so cool because it's this skin corrector, and you can kind of use it everywhere. I should say, like, it's probably more marketed as under eye director. What? It's a color corrector for like right here for your dark circles, but you can also one of you told me that you use it on your nose for redness, and then also before like your foundation to get it to stay, and I'm just like, okay, that's genius. I'm gonna give that a try. Okay, they sent me this Moonshot. This is a cushion foundation. So this Moonshot has the little nest, whatever you call it, shelf, and a sponge. And I'm gonna put it on with the applicator because I feel like that really gives good coverage. I will list the shade I have. My only drawback with, I love cushion foundations and skin tints, but they only make them for, they only make it in like 5 shades. So very, very dark skins cannot use these products. And it's like, you guys, come on. So I am going to just press that in here. There is a slight fragrance, but this has tremendous sunscreen. And look at the coverage. Do you see that? Do you see that? Okay, good. I'm not the only one. I think by the time this video goes up, my daughter and I will have seen the Moulin Rouge Broadway production. It's in Seattle right now, and we got tickets and we're so excited. So that's probably the event I'm sort of dressing up for, because I'm not going out for New Year's. But yeah, I'm so excited. Emma would watch Moulin Rouge, the movie with Nicole Kidman, when she was 3, and she didn't understand any of it, thank God, because it's very inappropriate, I realize. She just loved the costumes, the singing, the dancing, the pretty ladies. She called Satine, did she call her the pretty lady? Yeah. She also loved watching Legally Blonde at that age, and she called that the pink lady. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Between the compact and that Skin Food skin corrector, I almost don't need concealer. What do you think? Should I skip concealer? I'm gonna use my Tiger King powder. I love it because it's talc free and it doesn't really make a powdery finish. It just kind of sets the makeup and it makes it so just soft. I have a very deep red lipstick, and then I want to do kind of a lined, I don't know if it's going to be winged but something like that. And I've got like just a bit of shimmer with a very light definition of eyeshadow. So we'll see how that goes. So this one is called Bear, and these are the monochrome shadows from Hard Candy. And they're, I don't know, maybe less than $5. Hard Candy is pretty much at Walmart, and the Walmart website and the Hard Candy website. And Hard Candy sends me PR, and okay, wait, I think that brush was dirty. Just a second. Oops. Okay, hang on. Okay, let's see what this, I'm using the A. I love this one. It's such a taupey. Okay, you guys, bear with me. Get it? Bear with me. So this side of my eyelid, this eyelid is very true to shade for this one. And then this side has a little bit of the residual, the Physicians Formula Breakfast Club eyeshadow. I wore that all over the Christmas holiday. That was my eyeshadow. So I think that brush, I thought I took a brush cleaner and kind of just did a quick mini clean, and apparently I used a brush with other shadow on it. I like that this is matte, but not chalky, not hardcore matte, just a soft matte. Okay, and then I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is actually my BK Beauty A504. It is so nice the way it has, it's fluffy, but it's small. And I'm going in the E, and I'm just kind of doing that. Which, you know what, folks, newsflash, I realize this isn't that different than what I normally do. I get it. I get it. I'm just going to kind of put whatever is on my brush down here. I have my Physicians Formula liquid liner, and I am going to run that along my inner lash. We're going to do just a bit of a flick. where the hood is. Do you see that? I'm gonna just, I don't know if I can explain what I just did. So with my eye kind of resting, not more open, less open, any of that, I drew the flick where the hood kind of goes. And the only way I'm lifting my lid to correct it. But other than that, I'm leaving it. So it's sort of like graphic liner. Right? I kind of like it. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of the R. And then I'm going to take a shadow crayon. This is called Twinkle and Pop Glittering Eye Stick. It is also from Stylevana, and it's a very fun, bright shade. We are doing this. That's the extent of my glitter. There we are. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f., the palette that was around for holiday, that has all kinds of bronzer, blush, right? So I'm gonna just kind of do this right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna just take this on my nose. I'm also gonna go in this blush right here. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of highlight. I'm still using the same brush. Just kind of pretty. So I'm going to go in with my big fluffy EK Beauty brush, and I'm going in with my Jouer 3-in-1. This is the bronzer highlighter blush special for holiday, kind of special edition. Just kind of going through that, right? Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Kind of feeling weird with that graphic. So I've actually got one of those spongy applicators in the E of this palette, the E shade, and I am filling in the point so that it's more of a contour. I'm softening the corner. There. I like that better. Okay, I do need mascara, but before I do mascara, I'm going to put a little bit of this Makeup Forever liner right here. I'll post this shade. It was in the Sephora lip. It was in one of the kits. Is from, it's called Brit Black Rouge, and I love the packaging, and it is shade A12, and it is such a deep wine liquid lip, right? Oh my gosh, it tastes like grape Kool-Aid. I love so good. That is such a fluffy formula. I see people do. I'm going to take a little bit of concealer. Going to just hot that in there. Might do a little bit of gloss. Just right there. It's my LA Colors holographic gloss that I am in love with, and it's the shade Diamond Light. I'm in desperate need of mascara, so I'm going to do that, and I will be right back. Well, here we are. I mean, it's a little different, right? I kind of went a little stronger with the eye makeup, a little different. Definitely a dark red lip. Normally I just do a brighter red lip, very pale skin. I have no idea what trend this might be, but hey, it felt cool. So I enjoy it, and I will list all the products below, including the ones from Stylevana, codes, discount codes if there are any. What else? I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If it is in you to make a resolution and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate that. And take care, be well, a happy and safe rest of your holiday season. Here's to 2023. I'll see you next time. Bye.